Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it's another Harbor Freight backhoe type of day. Let me grab that camera and kind of show you what we're working on, okay? In the meantime, you hit that like and subscribe for me. All right, guys and gals, there is the beach. And right here, you can see, or you should be able to see, the grade kind of goes up. And I'm trying to minimize that grade because it keeps on going up and up. So we're digging out a bunch here. The part that really slows us down is the digging's quick, but loading it onto the trailer and then hauling it over to where I can use the dirt's kind of a pain. You can see we've got down about a foot from the grass to the dirt. And I'm not too worried about this because we'll come by with a tiller and till that up and then kind of level it out. But for now, we've got a foot at least to dig from here over to about where the trailer is. Right here is kind of the point of the hill. So I want to dig from here, kind of at an angle to about the front of the truck tire and get this all dug out. So it's a nice, smoother walk down to what will someday be our beach. So we've got kind of a little canal here that runs off the main part of the lake, which is over there, just to kind of put it into perspective for you. So, all right, let's run some footage of me digging and putting it on the trailer. Well, more or less, that's about all I got in me for today. We're gonna empty that trailer, call it a day. It's kind of a slow, arduous project, but it is what it is, so. I don't know why I keep on looking back there. Anyway, do me a solid, hit that like, smash that subscribe, and we'll see you next video.